What are you doing there, Hot Rod? Huh? What? Are you filling the pond? Are ya? Buckbo. Oh man, your butt's wet. There. Huh? What are you doing, Jackson? Little man. Little man, what are you doing? Are ya? Are you filling the pond? Hey. Little man. Oh, battery's almost dead. What? Hey, did you just have a bath? Huh? Take a drink. Yeah! Attaboy. Is that good? Take another drink. You don't like drinks? Take a drink. It's good. Take a drink. It's good. Take a drink. Get a drink. Come on. Drink water. No? You prefer your water with barley? Attaboy.